Hey everyone, I thought I'd show you some of the palms that we've got growing in our Central Texas gardens. So it is late September here in 2022, and so we're kind of getting to the end of at least the summer season. And we've got some bananas, some dwarf Cavendish bananas right here at the base of this maturing and growing California fan palm. Really nice specimen, just love the big cottony fibers on that. Sitting right next to that, we've got a ponytail palms. We got some Livistona chinensis palms, and really what's kind of taken over is a lot of these umbrella palms. So this is also known as the papyrus grass. That's actually in the grass family. If I pan over to the left, we've got a really nice needle palm, which is kind of sitting at the base of this nice mature female windmill palm, which produces a tremendous amount of seeds for us. So it's a windmill palm. Again, if I sort of pan over, we've got a Camerops humilis, the Mediterranean fan palm. I actually have to clean up. You can see there's a stalk there that actually did not recover from the cold snap, and I need to get in there and clean that off and chop it off, but this other stalk just did just fine. See that nice kind of bluish tint. Love. Now this is not the blue, the Cerifera, but this is the standard, but it does have that nice underside of that bluish tint. If I pan back over, we've got some more of the umbrella palms sitting at the base, and this really nice Musa Bastu banana, which did produce bananas for us last year and this year. So we've had two successful growing seasons of bananas. As you can see, it's kind of taking over this area, and this is really grown out, so it's kind of overgrown, needs been cleaned up. We've got quite a few of the Pride of Barbados, and you can see these produce these really amazing, great neon orange flowers. And actually the seed pods, you can hear them, they are also just about ready to pop open. So we'll have a fresh set of seeds that we'll collect this year too. That's one of my favorite sort of complementary palms, along with the papyrus grass for these, our tropical plants that we grow here. We've got in a pot, we've got some of our foxtail palms and a variety of other ones. We've got a variety of different kinds of grasses in here. We have some, actually there's a Trachycarpus fortuna or windmill small palm. There's a couple of them. There are some sable minor palms in here. Behind that we do have another Washingtonia. So that one is a Washingtonia robusta or Mexican fan palm. And behind that is another variety of a banana plant. So just to give you a quick kind of idea of some of the, oh, there's a sago palm or cycad here as well too. So just some of the different varieties of palms and exotics we grow here in Central Texas. Cheers.